Where are you from?
I'm from Jamaica.
Jamaica is known for producing some of the world's fastest sprinters. Name 4 of them.
Asafa Power, Usain Blake, Usain Bolt, Shelley-Ann Price.
Are you a sprinter?
Yes, I'm 100 meters.
True or false? The author of James Bond, Ian Fleming, wrote all of his books in Jamaica.
False. No, it's true.
True. What's the national dish?
Ackee and saltfish. Even though it's not my favourite, curry goat's my favourite. Whoever doesn't like curry goat, you can get out.
I like oxtail, to be honest.
Get out.
In my interview.
Respectfully.
Okay, all right,
I can take this
correct,
over now.
correct yourself.
I can take this over now.
Manners. Tell me something most people don't know about Jamaica.
That Jamaica has the most churches per square mile, more than any other country in the world, because they have 2,500. Get to know that fact.
From that threat you just gave them, I'm sure they will.
I'm coming for you.
You're very threatening.
Yeah. Do you want to see my muscles?
Not bad. Can you do this though?
I can, but I don't want to. There's this place called Blue Lagoon, and in the water it turns neon turquoise, neon blue, depending on the time of the day, and it is 200 meters deep. Also, Jamaica was the first Caribbean island to gain independence in 1962.